facing the police every single day.
Ooh. Hello. Bad. Yes, I have a piece of crap gun. All right. All right. Is there if I ask a question too? Just so if I did sell it to you, it does go into a database then for the sheriff or the pawnbroker, or?
It goes in the county website.
Right.
And that's just so they can run the search to make sure it's not a stolen firearm.
Right.
That's how they do it, and then we have to hold on to it for 15 days before we can put it out for sale.
Right.
And that's only if you're just selling it outright and not
Right.
trading it in for something else.
So they have their own website, or?
Yes. Well, the county has their own website. I don't know what website it is. You would have to
Right.
talk to Ann about all the details. I just know a little bit.
Right.
I don't know a lot. I don't know everything.
Right. Do you know, so they get my name too, or just the gun and the serial number?
They get your name, they get your thumbprint.
No kidding, so they get it all. Mm-hmm. Why
It's just like when you do a background check for a gun, except
Right.
that instead they
Right.
you take down your information on another sheet of paper.
Right.
That records your thumbprint.
Right.
And I do not see that we have one down here. Wait. So basically, you fill out the top of your name,
Right.
address, phone number, everything that's on your driver's license, and a thumbprint.
And then you scan it, or you put it in the computer?
I don't know what she does. I
Right.
don't know if she scans it in or just puts it in the computer.
Right.
Or if she mails it to them, I have
Right.
no idea. All I know is those have to be filled out.
Right. Why did you guys ever hear of Statute 790-335?
I do not know what statute that is.
They made a statute that I'm just to get an opinion. Like I said, I'm alternative press. The statute states that the police and the sheriff aren't supposed to get our name, a list of people that own guns.
No.
Correct.
Correct.
Okay. They should get the gun and the serial number to find out if it's hot. And if they do have that list, did you know it's a third-degree felony, $5 million fine?
No, I did not know that.
So do you think the sheriff should have this list?
If this is a list of people who have sold their firearm
Or pawned it?
or pawned it, then that is their job.
The statute states they're not supposed to get the gun. I mean the name.
Right. Okay. Then I don't know.
So you probably would agree that's not good for them to get all that? Because you committed no crime, right? I mean, these are not felons. These are regular people.
Right. They may not be felons, but they might be. As far as the statute goes,
Right.
If the statute says they shouldn't have their names, then that list is wrong.
Correct. So if they're guilty, should they be charged and fined?
Then maybe they should.
All right, we're working on it. Can I give you my card so you guys you know who I am? Because Ann does anyways, all right? But yes, I'm a reporter for Charlotte County Copwatch. We know we need cops, just not corrupt ones. So yeah, we busted the Charlotte County Sheriff and the Sarasota Sheriff illegally have a list of people. All they did was sell a gun and pawn a gun, and they're being illegally profiled. They have committed no crime.
Right. Okay, so now when did the statute go into effect?
2004.
Okay. Then they are going against the statute.
Correct.
But the county also requires that list.
That is correct. But they're only...
information.
Correct.
So they can run the gun and make sure it is not stolen.
Correct.
Firearm.
Correct. But again, like I said in the statute, it clearly states twice they're only supposed to get the gun and the serial number.
Not the name.
And they're not
Then
supposed
they
to
are
get...
going against the statute.
Correct. So if they hold us accountable, don't you agree we should hold them
We should
accountable?
hold them accountable. Yeah. If they're going going against the statute that's been in place.
Since 2004. Well, because you know how they always say to us, you know, what is that saying where you should have known the law or whatever?
Right, right.
Yeah, so.
Ignorance is no excuse for breaking the law.
Very.
And they should know their law. And not all of them do.
Okay, I'm digging you. Very good. Okay, so you agree that if this could be a big deal.
Right. I don't know about suing. I mean, what good is that going to do? Who does the money go to?
Well,
To the
unfortunately, that's the sad part, is that you're right. Taxpayers pay for it. So Eric Friday, the best gun lawyer in Florida, is dealing with the state attorney, Ashley Moody, to take that fine money and put it in a fund for all the people's rights that were violated. Do you like that idea?
I do, yeah.
Yes. So that would be
That's
fair.
fair.
Yeah, that would be. He's working on that. And say a prayer. He's working on me getting whistleblower money. Woohoo! That would be good. The wife would dig that. But yeah, we found that story, and I maybe talked to one of you. I have called here before. I was asking questions about this. You know, what do you do? What do you don't? I think, was it here that you guys told me? I did not know this, that if you buy 2 handguns in 7 days, that you have to tell the sheriff too.
That's the ATF.
No kid.
That's
Somebody said you have to tell the sheriff too, though, right?
I don't know about the sheriff, but I know, actually, you know what? It may be a copy to the sheriff, a copy to your local law enforcement, and a copy to the ATF.
Okay, it is.
And that statute has always been in place.
Really?
My husband and I used to own a gun shop up in Ohio.
Wow.
And we had to do it too.
Really? Even in
So,
Ohio?
Well, it's a federal law. It's the ATF. It's federal. That is on a federal level. And the
Wow.
federal level states that they have to have a copy,
Right.
and your local law enforcement have to have a copy, whether it be sheriff or police.
Just because you bought 2 guns in 7 days?
2 handguns. 2 handguns.
Okay, I know. That's true. I know that part. I do know that part. Why? What do they think is happening?
They just want to make sure. They just want to make sure that the person is not buying firearms
Right.
and selling them illegally,
Okay.
or selling them to criminals.
Okay.
They like to keep an eye on those people who do a lot of activity buying and selling firearms.
Right.
It is their right to be able to do so,
Right.
and especially because a lot of firearms, unfortunately, end up in the wrong hands.
Right.
Because we don't know who buys and who sells to the criminals.
Right.
So
That is true.
they
But
like
you
to
know, all
keep
the
an eye
countries
on-
that banned them, the criminals get them anyways. I mean,
right.
look at what just happened with the Muslim shooting.
Oh, I know.
You're not supposed to have guns, but he had a really nice gun. So a lot of people are saying the video is fake. There was no blood. That is a good point. That's weird. But okay. So do you think our laws are better down here compared to Ohio? Trying to keep the list. Was Ohio bad? Did they actually have list of gun owners in Ohio?
No, Ohio didn't have that. You
Really?
do not have registration in Ohio, just like you do not have registration.
So you agree with that?
I agree with that.
Very, very.
You
Because
don't
I.
have to have registration.
Right,
You
I've committed
shouldn't
no
have to.
crime.
You shouldn't tell the police I'm buying this gun. I want it on my license so I can carry it. That's New York. That's any
Yeah.
communist country.
Yeah, that's a different
Control
country,
all
New
of
York.
your rights.
Correct.
We do not do that here. We didn't do that in Ohio.
Right.
It is your right to be able to buy, sell, trade firearms, provided that you are not a criminal.
Right.
Um,
Can we write down that 790? If you get bored, you can look at it. If you read that sucker top.
never bored. I work 6 days a week.
Okay. If you read it top to bottom, it is awesome. In fact, do you know which state rep wrote that?
No.
Lindsey Harrington. He lives right in Punta Gorda.
Yeah.
He's retired. And if you ever get a chance, talk to him why he made it so harsh. Because what they found out, 79335, because he found out what they were doing back then. Oh my God. Disgusting profiling. They were literally going down the road in neighborhoods, and they were literally telling each other, okay, we gotta be careful. That guy's got a gun. That guy's got a gun. Not everybody's a criminal if you have a gun.
And it's none of their business.
Now you're saying good stuff. Very good. So,
I've been saying good stuff the whole time.
okay, I know. 79335. If you get top to bottom, it's not that long.
Yeah.
You're going to see in there twice near the bottom where it says they're only supposed to get the gun and the serial number. If it turns up hot, then they can come here and go to your paper. And somehow they've been circumventing the system. In fact, the emails that we got are from 2013, 2014. That's bad. That means they're keeping a list for a long time.
Yeah, and which they shouldn't if what you say is true, it's going against the statute. And those people's rights are being violated.
Correct. Well, this is how bad it is. This is the emails. They're literally talking about profiling.
Yeah.
It's sad. Look at this list. Women are buying it. It must be for their husbands or boyfriends. It's like, what?
Not necessarily.
Yeah.
Hell, I've been selling guns for 20 years. I own my own.
But I mean, you can literally see profiling in there. I mean, you're like, look, check this list. Even one of them said, look at this list. If you think it's a bad guy you don't like, let's figure out a way we can get a charge on him. That's insane, man.
It's just funny, the thought process that people have. Did you know that there's a shitload of ladies pawning these firearms?
See? Right.
I would bet, by looking at the type of firearms, that the real person who had them were felons. Or women are very vindictive, materialistic bitches and selling their husbands' guns to get money because they're going to be asking for a divorce.
Ooh, that is real. You burned the gun to business. That's actually real. Totally real all day long.
I've been doing this for too long. I know exactly.
Okay, yes, that you're very true.
But there are also a lot of women out there who lose their husbands and they're selling off their collection as well.
Did you know
There are a lot of different reasons why women, and there's a lot of women who are into firearms.
Some of the best shooters are women.
When Ohio passed their carry law, that is when my husband and I owned the gun shop.
Yeah.
We had, after the carry law passed, now you want to talk about your rights being violated.
Right.
Hello. We had the plain dealer listed everybody's name who went and got a carry conceal license. My name was right underneath my brother's in the paper. And the plain dealer was a huge paper up there. It used to be like this thick. I don't know how thick it is.
Wow.
It used to be like this thick.
Right.
It's Cleveland's major paper.
Right.
So, yes, my name was printed to everybody who gets the plain dealer, which is basically Northeast Ohio.
Oh my God.
I could have called the plain dealer, but there were no laws in place to protect our rights against
What year was that?
11, I think.
Okay.
I forget. I absolutely forget what year that was. My husband would remember. But it was a while ago.
So,
so you want to talk about your rights being violated up there?
what was your name again?
Laura.
Wow. You already know. You are awake. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. You have a good day.
Yep. Chris said to talk to Amy to see if you can get it fixed. Are you Amy?
No, you mean Ann.
Okay.
And she is not going to be here until next Tuesday because she's going on vacation with her family.
So you could probably still do what she said then. Can I get it? I got a defective Taurus.
Okay.
This has been worked on twice.
Okay.
One time by Higher Power. The other time, I forget who. It's the most unreliable gun I ever had. I got it because my wife's a tiny little Filipino, so that's why I tip up that she doesn't got a racket.
Got a camera on there.
Yeah, is that all right? I'm doing a story.
Actually, I don't prefer it.
Right. There is a case law, Adam versus State, that if I'm in a public place, I'm not in a bathroom.
Right.
All right.
Right, and
Okay.
I don't prefer to be on camera though.
Okay. So anyways, so you guys, she said that if it's been worked on twice, that you guys can just send it back to Taurus and ask for a new gun.
Now, at this point, you've had 2 other people than Taurus work on it. They may not cover the warranty if 2 other people that worked on it screwed it up. Taurus has a lifetime warranty on it.
Right. I think Chris already talked to her.
Right.
And told her the situation. They didn't work on it. I believe they did what Taurus said. Mm-hmm. And it's still unreliable. Last time we were out, it was the most embarrassing gun there when we were out with everybody. Right. I mean, it didn't fire half the time, okay. which is sad.
And I can take it in. I'll get all of your information. I'll write out a receipt that we received it today.
Right.
Do you have the box or did you?
No.
No. Okay.
No.
I can do all that for you, but nothing's going to be done until she gets back from vacation.
Yeah, that's fine.
next
I don't
Tuesday.
care. I have other guns
Right.
because that's worthless.
But I'm letting you know, Taurus does have a lifetime warranty on their guns. They
Right.
can and will void their warranty at any point in time they
Right.
feel they so choose. When you take one of your guns to someone else to work on, the manufacturer has the right
Well,
to void
I
their
didn't have him work
warranty.
on it. I had him
Right,
do the
okay.
Taurus warranty.
Right, okay. Oh, you had them send it in.
Yes,
Gotcha. Okay.
yes, yeah. So no,
That
no,
was my
Chris
misunderstanding. I
Chris
apologize.
hasn't tweaked this thing yet. If Taurus doesn't take care of it, then yes, Chris will tweak it, him and his dad, and make it work. But yes, we're trying to do the Taurus thing first.
Right.
So you know who Chris is that I'm talking about? He loves guns. Big guy, biker.
I really don't.
Right.
No, I come in here, I work, and I go home.
Got it. Very good. There you go.
I know a lot of the customers that come in here. I don't know any of the other gun shop owners. Nor
Correct.
anybody who works in those gun shops.
Correct.
Copy that for me, please.
Yep, that's simpler.
Thank you, sir. And I don't know if there's going to be any charge. I'm going to let Ann take care of all that.
Yeah. He's already talked to her,
Okay.
told her the situation, and I mean it's an embarrassment, man. It's like,
Right.
wow, you would die if you had this thing. You could hurt people more with hitting them with it. That's kind of sad, right?
Unfortunately,
Have you heard bad stuff about this piece of crap?
well, sometimes they work, sometimes they don't.
That's that's not good, man.
This is basically a model off of the Beretta gun.
Correct.
Since Taurus bought their factory in
Right.
Brazil, they have their Beretta's permission to
Right.
use those.
Correct.
Here we go.
Oh, kidding. So that's the real one.
That's the real one.
Oh.
Thank you. You should know better. I'm old. Don't mess with me.
Interesting. So yes, I can already see differences already.
Yeah.
I mean, it doesn't got to be exactly the same, but
Right.
yeah, man, it's unreliable. Really bad.
Yeah, I mean, and you know, the newer ones should be they're better quality.
Right. So this could be one of the old ones then, and that's why it sucks?
This looks like it's a little bit newer because of the.
I think I've had it
frame and the
for
color.
3 or 4 years.
Yeah, it's a little newer.
Right.
So, they should be a little better quality, but it's a polymer frame.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, you're going to have your idiosyncrasies between each particular gun.
Right.
In the same model. You know, I have a Beretta 92 at home. I love that thing. I've never had a problem with it. No flaws ever. And then I have people that come in that have had nothing but problems with a brand new 92.
Wow.
So.
And that's what Higher Power was trying to say, that one of the ladies over there carries it and swears by it.
Right.
And yet, this is the worst one I've ever had.
Yeah. So you never know. I mean, some of them have problems, some of them don't. Need a phone number, please?
941 916 2259.
Okay, so like I said, I'm not sure how much a repair is going to
Right.
be. It technically, theoretically, Taurus should pay for it.
Correct.
But I think you have to pay shipping there. I don't know. and is going to have to tell you
Right.
whether you have to or not. I
Right.
have no idea. I'm just taking the gun in.
Right.
If there's going to be any charge,
Right.
I'll let her tell you. Okay?
Okay, so if for some reason there is, I can give up and then just maybe even sell it to her then?
You could, but with a gun that has known problems, I'm not sure if she's going to want to take it in because she'll have to send it in to tourists to repair also.
Right.
Talk to her.
Got
I
it.
don't know.
Right.
I have absolutely no idea. You have a carry as well?
Yes.
Can I get a copy of that one too, please, if you don't mind? I just want to make sure we have all of our bases covered.
Right. So if it's just getting fixed, you got to have that, or?
Well, I prefer to have a copy of both, just as a precaution.
For
For the gun store, not for me, for the gun store, for records for ATF in case they're audited.
okay.
It's a normal thing.
Why? So if you're going to fix it, this goes into a computer database somewhere?
No, I mean we don't keep records in a computer database anywhere. But
Right.
I just like to make sure that I have all the IDs that you need to have with your firearm. That's all.
So but when it's for repair, it doesn't go into. If I sell it to you, then it goes into a database.
It will go into the county database to make sure it's not stolen when it's sold.
Correct.
There you go.
Why? What date? What? So that's what, like Pawn Finder on your computer,
I
or?
don't know what it is.
Right.
I don't deal with that. Ann does.
Right.
She is.
I was gonna say, do I get a paper?
Yes. I'm gonna have you sign the bottom of that.
Right.
I was getting ready to tear apart, and I'm like, yeah, I want a signature.
Correct.
So I'm gonna write on here that I don't know if there's a charge.
Also mention too
And-
that Chris has talked to her about me.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, she already knows about the gun.
Right. So what is wrong with it? So I can write that down too.
Doesn't fire all the time.
From higher power.
I actually, they're one of the people that did the warranty on it before. Correct. Yes.
Okay.
And I forget who the first one did that tried to do the warranty.
Right. Now, she's probably going to call Taurus, and I wouldn't worry about this one too much. She's
Right.
probably going to call Taurus, and they'll say, you know, she may be able to tell them,
Right.
send me a label, and they'll send her a label. They
Right.
may not. I don't know how they're going to take care of it. So
Yeah, so that's what it
Just
sounded
so you
like
know.
when Chris talked to her,
Right.
is that this is, we've
It's a
already done the warranty
warranty, right,
thing multiple
right.
times, it still sucks, just give me a new one.
right.
Correct.
So if
You don't have no idea on shipping cost?
I do not. I don't handle any of that.
Right,
I just work here.
right.
right.
All right, is there if I ask a question too, just, so if I did sell it to you, it does go into a database then for the sheriff or the pawnbroker, or?
It goes in. It goes in the county website.
Right.
And that's just so they.
Hey Charlotte County, this is Charlotte County Copwatch. I am using any video here with under fair use if you have criticism, reporting, teaching, etc. And please donate. I do not make money from YouTube, and there are different ways to donate in the video links. Thanks.